Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a contact list on Canva. So the first thing you have to do on the Canva app, whether you're using the mobile version, the laptop version, or the website version, just go to the search bar and type in contact list. Now it will provide you with a list of templates that have been made by Canva creators and other people, where you can choose to edit any template and make it yours. So we can preview each one to see how it would be like. So this is a guest list and not a contact list, at least for this one in particular. Let's say we are in the sales and marketing department and we really want something that would give us a very good a contact list for all our sales agents or our clients or contact people. This is what we would use here. You can customize this template and then change all of this information to yours. So you can also see the other templates, checklist, price list, sales contact list, and the likes. So all you have to do is to just search and find your list, the list that would work for your business or for what you intend to use it for. And there you have it. Now guys, this my Canva is a paid Canva, so you might not see some of all these available on yours, especially if you're using the free version. But the free version should also provide you with enough templates to make what you want to work. So guys, I'll see you in the next video, and let me know what you think about this particular video in the comment section. Have a great day, guys.